So we're logged into Unisphere on our VNX 5300, and we're going to create a storage pool for block storage. Come over here to the storage tab, and as you can see, you can create storage pools for file as well as storage pools for block, all from this one management single pane of glass interface. We'll click on storage pools for block. As you can see, we have one pool already, and we'll go ahead and create another one. Now the question seems to come up is, can you still create RAID groups? Kind of the old school, as the new EMC best practice recommendation is to use pooled storage. The answer is yes. You can select RAID group here, you can select the tab up here, and you have the traditional Clarion looking interface. If you come back to the storage pool here, we can say we want 5 SAS drives, 5 nearline SAS drives, and while we do have enterprise flash drives in the array, we can't currently use them as they're in use for fast cache. So you can see this will be a RAID 5 pool, and here's the amount of capacity and storage we'll have from each of the two different types of disk. We'll allow the array to select the disk, but you can certainly select manual and choose the disks that you'd like if you decided to do that. And we'll click apply, and we'll say yes to continue, and it'll go through the creation process. And the creation of the pool was initiated successfully, so we'll click OK here. And it looks like it finished, so we can go ahead and select cancel here and close out of that. And we can come over to our new pool, which you show the state of initial. And while that pool is creating, we can come here and we can right click on the pool that already exists, and we can create a LUN here, or we can go through the wizard here, the LUN provisioning wizard, and right click and go to create LUN. And we'll give this LUN 100 gig. We'll give it an ID of 50. And we'll say we want to create 2. So we'll actually have 50 and 51 at 100 gig apiece. And we'll say apply. Yes. And it should go ahead and create the LUNs. We're created successfully. We select OK here. We're finished with the create LUN window, so we can go ahead and close that, and then you can see here's our 2 LUNs. They're both ready, 100 gig apiece, and one belongs, the current owner is storage processor A and the other one storage processor B. And here we have options like tiering policy for fully automated storage tiering. We have the option to add it to a storage group, which would generally be the next step after the LUN's been created. And then we just have our traditional options to delete, migrate, or trespass it. And as well as some things that we have the enablers for, such as snap view, mirror view, sand copy, and the Unisphere analyzer. And if we come back up here, we can see pool 1 is now ready. Pool 0. If we look at this LUN here, we go to properties. We have the options for tiering as well as compression.